Right, today we're dealing with proportional between parallel lines. So that means we are talking about parallel lines here, and typically with a triangle. So I'll just kind of draw a triangle here. So we're talking like these sides here, these segments in between those parallel lines. All right, first we have the parallel proportionality conjecture. That says if we have a line parallel to one side of a triangle, passes through the other two sides. So if we have a line, DE, that's parallel to the third side, passes through the other sides, then it divides them into proportional parts. Okay, so proportional, this side would be proportional to this side. Okay, conversely, it also works the other way, where if we know that these sides are proportional, so let's say 4, 8, 2, 4. Okay, if we know these sides are proportional, then we can say that that segment is parallel. So it works both directions. Next, if we have two or more lines that pass through two sides of a triangle, parallel to that third side, so if we have multiple, boom, boom, then the two sides are proportional. Okay, so that means 3 over 4.5 is going to be proportional to 4 over 6. Okay, same thing would go to 4.5 over 6. 4.5 over 6 would be proportional to 6 over 8. Okay, we could also do 3 over 6. 3 over 6 would be proportional to 4 over 8. Okay, so they're proportional to its opposite side. It's to the other side. All right, so find the side length BC, given that DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so we can set up a little proportion here. 5 over 45, and then 12 over x. Okay, so we can cross multiply. 12 times 45 divided by 5. And we get x to be about 108. Next, okay, here we need to find side BD if DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so we can kind of like set it up exactly as shown. 4 over x, 6 over 36. So 36 times 4 divided by 6, x to be 24. Last, we got to find x and y. This is our second conjecture. We're going to need two different proportions. Okay, I'm first going to use 3/4 and x over 8. Okay, because these two will be proportionate to these two. Okay, 8 times 3 divided by 4, x ends up being 6. So now I can use 6 to help me find y if I wanted to. So I could do 5 over 3 y over 6. And then cross multiply. 6 times 5 is 30 divided by 3. Y ends up being 10.